Well, hello, this is Brother Honeycutt. I'm here in Isabel Church, and I want to show you something. We're here at the church. We're going to show you the church, some of the repairs that is needed here at the church. The roof, old tin roof, it leaks. Last time they had typhoons, knocked everything down, so they have a lot of holes. This is Jesus Christ is the Answer Gospel, Foursquare Gospel Church. Jesus Christ is the Answer, Foursquare Gospel Church. So a lot of the roof is rotted away. Okay, so they need a new roof. The wood poles, the concrete is cracking. You see there, rafters broken, rotted away. See, that wall is coming apart right there. Look here. Jesus Christ is the healer. Jesus Christ, the only Savior. Our mission to bring people to God and bring them in the membership of God's family, to develop them to possess Christ-like maturity that leads to maturity in church and the world, or in the Word, to magnify God's name in all that we do. So, here we go. Here's this place here. Jesus Christ is the same today and yesterday. But up here, this hole, when it rains, the water falls in. But they still have church. When it rains, the water falls in. But they still have church. When it rains, the water falls in. But they still have church. Yes. Right here. And they just use little chairs. That's what they have. It's very hot in here. They have 1, 2, 3 fans to cool the people off. Okay, we're going to be helping them here in this church. They have much to do to fix the roof, fix the inside. So here at Jesus Christ is the Answer, Foursquare Gospel Church in Isabel Church, we're going to help them.